Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send an offer on the Qjob application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should go to your homepage and select a task, or from the list of specialists, type in a keyword into the search bar. And after that, you should apply filters to narrow down your search. After finding a task, you can check out the details, and if you want to send an offer, click on this button down below, click on yes. Tap on allow to use your current location, so the app should be enabled to use your location. Then add your personal information, click on the button next, and then you will be able to send an offer to the customer. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.